Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool bar right here, and basically what this is a 4-set color-coded chopping board with storage case. So they do have this storage option right here, but they basically have these 4 different boards inside that's color-coded. So there's red for meat, there's white for cooked stuff, there's blue for raw fish, and there's green for vegetable. And for all of these boards, they are plastic boards, so it's not like bamboo boards or anything else. But you see the design of the product actually looks really nice and very cool and modern. And then for this product, they mentioned how it's dishwasher safe and it's non-slip as well when you guys actually use it. And they also mentioned how it helps improve food hygiene as well. But this is basically what the product looks like in the outside. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so we take it out, you can see how the product is all nicely wrapped. Let me take off the wrapper first. Alright, so once we take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So what do you guys want to use on this side? Or if you guys want to put this side, both sides works. The way how they designed the product right here, it is very cool because it is color coded. So this is for raw meat, this is for cooked food, this is for seafood or fishes, and right here is for vegetables. But literally all you need to do is just pull out the board in each different section to use it. So just like that, pull it all the way out. Or pull this one all the way out, or pull this one all the way out, or you can pull this one all the way out as well. But this is basically what the top part looks like right here. When we look at the bottom part, you guys can see how they have the little opening in the bottom, so that way the water can leak out when you guys use it. And they definitely have the non-slip material in the bottom, so that way the product won't keep moving around or slipping around when you guys use it. But in terms of the storage case that they have right here, it definitely feels like a high quality product as well. But this is basically what the product looks like and what's actually included inside. Let me actually put this down on the countertop to show you guys what it actually looks like, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so you see that we have the product all set right here. If you can see, it looks so well with everything that I've said right here. I also have this sink caddy right here from the brand called Joseph & Joseph as well, where you can store everything on here, like the sponges, your brush, and also like the soap as well. I feel like this is a perfect spot to put it, so when you guys need to grab stuff, you can just pull it out and start chopping stuff right here. So let's say I want to cut up vegetable, and just pull it out like this, and just put it right here. And the cool thing about the product is the fact that whether you guys use it on this side or the other side, they do have the non-slip material on the bottom, so that way it won't move around. So just like this, if I try to move it, it won't really move. Same thing for other side as well. If you can see, definitely really cool how they has the option built in. If we guys feel the material in here, it definitely feels really smooth. But you can definitely use this for like chopping stuff or like cutting stuff or whatever. So let's say for example, if I have a knife right here, you can definitely chop stuff on here or just slice stuff really easily. And then once you guys are done, you can put it back inside right here. And that's all set. So obviously when it comes to cleaning the product and everything, it's very simple and very easy to use. All you need to do is get some water and rinse it and wash it, and just get like a damp cloth and just wipe it off. And then once you have it done, just put it back inside right here. And then it's all set. And the way how they put the board right here, if you guys don't like it like this, you guys can always adjust it based on your own preference. So let's say for example, if you guys don't want to hear, instead you guys want to hear, you can definitely do that as well. Regardless of how you guys put it, it's all color coded, so that way you guys know which one is for what. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully assemble it right here. Definitely really cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So the night guys quick test or product definitely see that actually does work and shows quite well. It's literally so simple, but also give you guys that modern feel, modern look to it when you guys actually use it. Like you guys can just basically pull out any of the boards you guys want and just start using it. And you basically just wash it and clean it after you guys finish using it. But definitely love the color coded option, so that way you guys know which one is for what. So one for vegetable, one for meat, one for cooked stuff, one for seafood, and the list goes on. I definitely love the way how they designed the cutting board, so that way no matter which side you guys use, they definitely have like the non-slip material on the corners, so that way it won't keep moving around if you guys saw in the video. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to keep everything all organized, so that way you guys know which one is for what. So whether you guys want to cut raw meat or raw fish or whatever, everything is all separated. So that way your food hygiene is much better. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.